Want drone fun without the big price tag? Here are 5 pocket-friendly flyers that surprise for under $150 and some under $50. First, FPV drone camera adult batteries, $60, 1080p HD camera FPV. Meet the FPV drone camera, a compact flyer that puts 1080p HD FPV right in your hands for about $60. Great for beginners who want crisp first-person views. This little drone streams live footage so you can line up cinematic shots and practice piloting in real time. It's ideal for quick flights in the park, light, responsive, and a perfect starter camera drone for hobbyists on a budget. Second, foldable beginner's quadcopter positioning Waypoint, $80, GPS Waypoint flight mode. Next up, the foldable beginner's quadcopter, priced around $80 and built for people who want hands-off flight. Its GPS Waypoint mode lets you plot a route and watch the drone follow it while you focus on camera angles. Foldable arms make it pocketable for travel, and the positioning system keeps things steady even in light wind. If you want reliable, automated flights without complicated controls, this one's a great entry pick. Third, beginner's quadcopter gestures altitude batteries, $50, gesture control altitude hold. The beginner's quadcopter is a neat little toy for casual flyers, about $50 and super easy to use. Gesture controls let you snap photos and command the drone with simple hand motions, while altitude hold locks height so footage stays stable. It's perfect for social videos and content creators who want fun shots without learning complex controls. Durable and forgiving, it's made to be friendly for both kids and adults. Fourth, Weavixol brushless